Hey everyone, Malachi from Frase here. Today, we're going to be talking about our content governance tools. Content governance is your all-in-one control center for creating consistent, compliant, and compelling content. You'll find content governance on the left sidebar. These tools don't just catch mistakes after the fact, they proactively guide content creation by giving AI the context and constraints it needs to write like you. Content governance is powered by 4 core tools. Reference documents allow you to keep all your essential source material in one place. From product specs to brand guidelines, reference docs ensure AI-generated content is accurate, up-to-date, and informed by the right context. Next is going to be brand voice. With your brand voice, you can define exactly how your brand sounds, whether that's sharp and direct or warm and conversational. You can analyze existing writing or set your tone manually across formality, assertiveness, emotion, and politeness. Your chosen voice is then automatically applied to every AI-generated piece of content. After brand voice, you've got style guide. With style guide, you can control how your content looks, sounds, and feels with rules for punctuation, tone, clarity, and formatting. A style guide ensures your team and AI writer follow custom rules, get real-time feedback, fix inconsistencies instantly, and apply your rules to every AI draft. You can even create multiple style guides for different projects and set a default that applies automatically. Last but not least is going to be terms. With terms, you can create your brand-approved word list and flag the words you want to avoid. This helps you control preferred language, banned phrases, and conditional terms that need careful use. The system flags off-brand terms instantly, so your team can correct them before publishing. Once you've uploaded all of your content governance tools, they become the backbone of your content creation system here at Frase. Your AI will use them to create content that's not just grammatically correct, but factually accurate and unmistakably yours. With every draft, these tools work in harmony to make sure your content is consistent, on brand, and ready to publish without endless manual reviews. To see them in action, all you need to do is enter into a document and start writing. As you write, you'll see suggested changes pop up in the top right based on your set governance tools. That's going to be it for content governance. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to team@frase.io. Thanks.